additionally, we had so many exhibitors displaying multiple things. I mean, there was a concept of flying cars. We have been seeing these things for years now. हर साल हमको देखने को मिलती है कि कुछ एक नया डिज़ाइन लेके आई है फ्लाइंग कार्स. Now I'm not sure कि ये रियलिटी में कब होने वाला है. Some time for sure that हम देखेंगे रियलिटी में फ्लाइंग कार्स को हमारे चारों तरफ उड़ते हुए. Would be an amazing means of transportation. But yeah, we saw again this time as well that how the future is visioned. Let's see कि क्या ऐसा होता है या नहीं. वैसे what's your take about flying cars? Let me know by writing at tg@ndtv.com. At the same time हमने humanoid robot भी देखा from Etisalat and और यहाँ पे again it gives all nice vibes, but then again the biggest question is, are we ready for this one? Because you know, technology is just skyrocketing all across, all around us. But now it's a big question कि future में while you talk about AI, you talk about humanoids, you talk about all these machines around us, how exactly would be the surroundings, how exactly would be the environment, and I mean, is it something that we really want? But then again, we had a demo of that as well. बहुत सारे और interesting booths में काफी कुछ था. हर साल की तरह इस बार भी right here at the Mobile World Congress.